Welcome to your quick SimpliSafe setup guide. Connect sensors and cameras like a pro. First, power your base station and plug it into a wall outlet. Open the SimpliSafe app and sign in or create your account. Tap Add Device, choose Sensor, then follow the pairing code shown on screen. Activate the sensor by pressing its button until the LED blinks blue. The app will confirm pairing. Rename the sensor for easy identification. For cameras, mount near an entry with a clear view and steady Wi-Fi. Plug in the camera, open the app, tap Add Device and select Camera. Connect to your home Wi-Fi by selecting the network and entering your password. Run a live camera test to check angle, motion detection, and audio. Label each device in the app, test sensors, and set your preferred alerts. If issues appear, restart devices or visit support.simplisafe.com. Subscribe for more.